Hi guys, welcome to Vishwa Techloic YouTube channel. So today I am very much excited to unbox the product MacBook Pro 16-inch one. So today in this video I am going to unbox this video. Before going to the video friends, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. A MacBook image over here. So MacBook Pro 16-inch one. So here we will be getting the MacBook Pro, and also here we will be getting the logo over here, and also here the MacBook Pro, and also this side also we will be getting the Apple logo over here. And also friends, backside of the box they have mentioned all the specifications of the laptop. So let us see one by one. So it will be of the 16-inch MacBook Pro, and also 2.6 GHz processor, so with the 6 core Intel i7. So RAM will be of 16 GB, so where the hard disk will be 512 GB of SSD. So and also will be Intel UHD graphics 630, and also it will be come with the 4 Thunderbolt Pro, so 3 USB-C ports, so supported for the high speed input and output, video output, and also will be come with the headphone jack, and also it will be supported for the touch bar and touch ID. So full size backend Magic keyboard, so and also FaceTime HD camera, pre-installed Mac OS. So over here, and also here they have been mentioned the color, name and all over here. So as you can see here, so here they have been mentioned over everything here, and also they have been mentioned here the space gray, so over here. So let us open the laptop. So this is my first laptop which I have been purchased. So today I have been really excited to open this laptop friends. So as you can see here, the MacBook Pro. So let us open it. So as you can see here, so the Apple logo over here. So let us keep aside and let us see what are the things we will get in this. So as you can see the cable, so it will support for the C to C port. So and also we got the some manual over here for the MacBook. So as you can see here, so some manual guide. So let us keep it aside. So and also there are some paperworks over here, so let us keep it aside. So let us see what are the things available. And also we got the stickers of Apple. So that's it we got. So and also we got the power adapter. So as you can see here, so this power adapter will be supported for the 96 watt friends, so 96 fast, so where you can connect to C port to C port, so where you can charge your laptop with this power adapter. So let us see. So that's all we got in the laptop. So let us turn on the laptop. So let us see the overview of the laptop now. So first of all, let us open this. So as you can see here, the Apple logo over here. So the quality is really good friends. So the quality, so as you can see here, the C port over here, so earphone jack also we will be getting, so you can plug in and use. So as you can see here, so the USB ports over here, sorry, not in USB, so C ports over here. So as you can see here, we will be getting the total 3 ports friends. So we will be getting the total 4 ports over here, 2 ports, and also we will be getting the 2 ports over here, and also back side as you can see here. So let us turn on the laptop. So I will set up my Mac. So here friends, you need to enter the ID and the password, so of your Apple ID and the password, and also you need to enter some basic details, so your name and all. So you can set the password, and also you can set the fingerprint also, And also friends, if you have an like old id and the password, if you are using the old id and the password, just you can connect your wi-fi and you can just log in with your old id and the password. So all the files will be copied from the old pc to your new mac. So I will get back to you once the setup is done. Once the setup is done, so you will get this screen. So now let us go to the about section. So just click on this icon. So as you can see here, so just click on the about this mac. So you will be getting the all the information related to the mac, your mac. So as you can see here, they have been mentioned the 16-inch model. So overview, we can see the display and the storage. I have been copied some files, some of my files, and there is one update. I have been updated my mac. So after updating, after copying some of the files, there is an 453 GB available space. So it is some 512 GB variant. So and also you can see the support and the service from here only. So let us see the more options about the touch id and the touch bar. On the top of the keyboard you can find the touch id and the touch bar. So if you want to enable the fingerprint, you can enable from here, from the touch id. So and also there is a touch bar, you can control all those things from here. So as you can see here, you can control the brightness and the sound, and also you can get the some functions from here also. And also if you, there are some lot of options are available in the touch bar. So as you can see here, so you can get the all the emojis, and also you can get the lot of suggestions. So it will be helpful, so much helpful for us. So now let us check the sound and the screen quality.